Hi family, so today we're going to make tilapia and we're going to use this in two ways. We're going to have it grilled, but we're going to do two different types of spicing for your grills. And we're going to see how they both turn out, whether you want it moist and sweet and hot, or you just want it more dried and firm. We're going to go in, I'm going to pair this with some good eba, and I'm going to teach you how to make the university graduate eba. Yes. And of course, we're going to also have a lot of fun making this as well. So welcome to the channel, Cooking with Abba, and don't forget to like as you watch the video. So let's go in, and this is our fresh tilapia because it's not been cooked yet. So yes, you have to take off the fins because this is going to just pierce you or chup you, and it's just going to hurt you. So I'm just taking off all the fins of it, and usually you want to take it from the sides, all of it, because those are not, you're not going to get anything from chewing it. So we're just going to take all of it from it. For the very base part, sometimes it's a bit tough. So sometimes I like to do circle with it, and that softens the base of it. And then you can pull it out as well. Then for the fish head, the mouth, I'm not going to chew the teeth, and it's going to just cut me or hurt me when I'm eating. So I just like to take that off as well. Fortunately, this had already been scaled, so I didn't have to scale it. And then I'm just washing the gills to take away the saliva because usually the gills has some sliminess or saliva in there which you don't want to add into it. And sometimes you can use it, you can either use your hand or hit it in your sink or in your bowl or something to get it off. I'm opening the inside to be sure that all the blood part is actually off. And then I forgot once of the fins on the sides, so I just took that off as well. Then you continue washing. Make sure it is thoroughly washed. Once it's washed, you can use it whole, depending on the size of it. But I wanted to do this in two ways in the air fryer for you to have a look at it. So I divided this into two, and then I'm going to go in to now do a lemon wash over it. So just lemon and water. And the whole idea of the lemon is to help reduce that nauseating vibe. So the lemon is just to help remove that nauseating vibe and to help clean it properly as well. Yes, because this can be very bloody. And I forgot to remove the blood packs at the side of the bones. Yes, so very close to the bones or the cartilage part, you realize that there's always some blood sacs in there. It's good you take that off it as well. That also makes your fish very easy to eat and very tasty and less nauseating. It's the blood that makes the fish kind of nauseating in there. So if you do that, your fish is going to come out very good and everybody can eat it as well. For the fish tail, you realize that it was very big, and for you to be able to marinate this and let it go in properly, you need to make incisions or cuts on it. So I'm making incisions on it to help me be able to like spice it up and put it much deeper in there. And if there are any extra small things, you have to also take them off as well. Then I wash it properly with the lemon water as well. That lemon juice is actually very much necessary. So for the first one, I'm using habanero pepper, I'm using garlic, and of course I'm using onions and a little bit of salt. Yes, the rock salt help you grind it, and I'm using my earthenware grinder or earthenware bowl to just grind this up. And this is a local way we usually grind pepper or fresh vegetables in Ghana. And I wanted that consistency because when you do it like this, it always comes out as very thick. There's no water, there's no additions. You can as well just use your blender to do that. That will not spoil anything, but this was a small quantity. I wanted to exercise my muscles. Yes. So I'm just stuffing this into it. And you can also add ginger, I forgot to mention, or any other, maybe colored peppers and stuff, just to give it that aromatic vibe. You decide. But the basic base is your garlic, your pepper, and your onion. That's your basic base, and ginger as well if you want to. You can also add any local spices if you actually want to add up to it. Then you let it sit for some time to marinate. Usually 15 minutes is good, 30 minutes is awesome. If you can do more, that is great for you. Then for the next one, I'm doing the spice rub, which I'm going to put onto it. I'm using the fish seasoning, which I have on the channel, some garlic dip, which is like garlic powder. I'm also using ginger powder in here as well, and sweet chili. Sweet chili would also give you some color and some kick of it as well. And I'm using suya. Suya gives it awesome taste. Then I'm adding some salt in as well. So this is all dried ingredients, and I'm adding in a bit of coconut oil. That is also going to improve the texture of the fish, and it's also going to help me be able to put the dried ingredients into the fish properly. So for this, I'm going to pat dry the fish because I don't need the water in. I just need the fish to be a bit more dry. Then I can put all the spice into it as well. So this will give you very kind of firm, less moist kind of fish, but it's going to be seasoned well as well. So I'm just putting it into all the incision parts in there as well. So once this is done, I'm just going to also put this one to marinate. And these are two different ways. So depending on what you have, you can then go in to decide. So I'm going to preheat the oven. I'm using my air fryer oven for this, and I preheated it for 12 minutes at 160 degrees. Whilst it was preheating, then I decided to put some parchment sheets in my tray. Then I placed them on the parchment sheets. You can actually do it with other parchment sheets. It depends on you. But I didn't want it to create a mess when I'm done cleaning. So I just use a parchment sheet to help me actually bake this up. And we have them both going in at the same time so that we can see how they both turn out as we work with it. So for the other one, like I said, you can add your local spices to it. And I decided to add some black and white pepper to it for the finishing. Then I place a bit of coconut oil on both of them. You can use olive oil or any oil preference of your choice. The oil is to help the fish, like when it's grilling, it doesn't get dried, and that gives you very nice looking fish once you are done as well. So once this is there, and I'm pleased with it, and my air fryer oven is hot enough, it's done preheating, then this is going to go into the air fryer oven. You can use an oven, or you can just do charcoal grill, or you can grill it over fire. However, whichever means of fire you want to use, you can use that perfectly well as well. So I'm going to do this for 160 degrees at 12 for 12 minutes. And then when the 12 minutes was up, I realized that, well, one side was virtually done, the other side was not. So what I did was to turn or flip it over so that the other side could also cook as well. And if you're making tilapia or you're grilling fish, it's always good to do it on both sides as well. Then once this goes in, I increase the time. I use 15 minutes now, so that's plus 13 minutes. Then I also increase the temperature from the 160 to the 180 to help it finish cooking properly. And then most importantly, to get a very good color from it as well. So now this is the end of it, and you can see how beautiful this tilapia is actually looking there. It's looking sizzling, it's looking colorful, it's looking tasty, and they all come with different textures and they all come with different flavors. Now tilapia, if you want to enjoy, you can enjoy it with rice, you can also enjoy it with eba. For my eba, I'm using salt and I'm adding hot water. Then I'm just going to go in with my gari. Yes, gari is like dried, roasted, fermented cassava, which is like very as much a staple in West Africa, especially. So you just mix this up, and it's going to form and double up as well. And this is very quick kind of Gari Eba, be like that. You have some guests coming over, you just want to share in prayer, you want to do things quickly. This is the way to go. So I'm putting it on the parchment paper. I placed a little bit of oil on it to help give it a nice glossy shine once you are done. Then I place the eba into it. I'm just trying to mold it into a nice, like, put it together so that it can roll out more evenly. Then once I'm done rolling it out, I'm just hitting the end. So once this is done, you want to use your rolling pin over it to get that smoothness over it. Then it's time to just roll your gari eba. Then you can just get this beautiful shape in there as well. So you can make your gari more fun than the regular normal circles we always do. And this is our tilapia, the one with the onion pepper blend, which gives you that moist kind of fish. And the most important thing too is because there's pepper in the middle or a sauce in the middle, you can actually have this without any pepper sauce, but it's great to have it with pepper sauce as well. So even if you choose not to do any fresh pepper, you want to eat it like this is enough pepper sauce, or let me put it like that, green sauce in there you can actually use. And then if you're having it with the rice, I would always recommend the second option where we use the dried spices. I hope you did enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next good video. Lots of love from my team and I.